Guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been looking for my fridge magnets. If you are a traveler, you have to have a souvenir everywhere that you go. Particular magnets, I've been looking for them for a very long time. I didn't know where I kept them. Ta-da! Ta-da! Ooh, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Oh my god. Ta-da! I love collecting magnets. Decorate my fridge with me. So guys, this is how my fridge looks without the decoration. So basic. I see. Yeah, so basic. So let's decorate this pretty thing. Let's go to Africa, Zanzibar.
Africa, Susanna.
African Susanna. Susanna. This is just a watch from Austria. Guys, this is the end results of the fridge, how it looks like after the magnets. Let me know or tell me which one is your favorite. Is all the countries: Sweden, Torino, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Austria, Nairobi, Masai Mara, Zanzibar, everywhere, Amsterdam, Paris, Kuna Matata, Zanzibar. Yeah, so look how beautiful it looks. It looks so nice. What are the souvenirs that you get when you travel? If you happen to like this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more